It's not that I want you not to say, but if you only knew how easy it would be to show me how you feel more than words. It's all you have to do to make it real. Then you wouldn't have to say that you love me, 'cause I'd already know. What would you do if my heart was turning to more than words to show you feel that your love for me is real? What would you say if I took these words away? Then you couldn't make things new just by saying I love you. More than words. Now that I try to talk to you and make you understand, all you have to do is close your